Hey guys, and I'm back, and today I'm gonna show you how to crop out the background and everything, and make the background of an image transparent, or part of an image transparent if you want to. So the first thing that you're gonna do is go over here and get the lasso select tool. It's the icon that looks like a lasso, sort of, and then you're gonna click that and select it. And then you're going to draw around what you want, or make a line around what you want to crop to, or what you want to crop to. And then once you've got that, you can go up here and then click the crop to selection button, which is just right here, and you click that, and then you have a transparent transparent image background, or whatever you made transparent. So yeah, that's how you make a transparent image, or transparent part of an image. And yeah, uh, thanks for watching, and remember to leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.